Do you have jowls that bother you? Well, we can get rid of those by using Agnes. Agnes is microneedling with radio frequency, and I am going to show you a procedure right now. So this is the area that has the most amount of tissue, and that's why it's marked off. But after we get rid of the fat that's here, I'm also going to help tack her skin up by directing our Agnes upwards, and that's why you see another line there. I've already started our Agnes this way, and I'm going to just show you how it works. So 3 prongs on this needle, and we have used some injectable lidocaine. That's why the area is blanched a little bit, and you can kind of hear, if I stop talking, the sizzle of her fat. Hold on. Hear that sizzle? And this will get rid of the fat cells that are there, the fat pads that are there. Listen to that. I love that sizzle. And they do not come back. So usually it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 treatments. We usually space them a couple months apart, but final results are 4 months after the last treatment. And we will often couple Agnes with her sister. So we typically do both of these treatments in the same day. So she, right after, our patient is going to get Scarlet right after Agnes. And Scarlet helps tighten and lift while Agnes kills the fat cells. So they work great in combination. We've been super happy with the results of these treatments, as have patients. And you could just see a little serum coming out there. I'm going to pinch some of that, and it'll help with her healing if we pinch some of that serum out. And now I'm going to crisscross, and we're going to go the other direction. But pretty, I mean, after the lidocaine, pretty easy procedure, especially for me because I'm not the one getting it done.
That's fine.
There we go. How does it feel to you under there?
Good. It's fine.
Yeah, no problems? Don't feel it?
No.
That's always good. And if she did feel it, then I would just give her more lidocaine, which is a savior always. We also have Pro-Nox, which is nitrous. That always makes everything better. But you can really hear the sizzle on this side. So it's a great procedure for basically any skin type can do this. The only contraindication would be is if you had some metal in your up here that wouldn't be able to undergo an MRI. So if you had like a metal stent somewhere in your head or something like that, metal that can't undergo an MRI, you wouldn't be able to do these procedures. But besides that, you can have at 'em. This will help with like what I'm doing now with jowls. We do eye bags a lot. What other areas? Underneath the cheeks, sometimes people have a lot of extra tissue here. We can get rid of fat there. We can also tighten earlobe creases. Scarlet is good for tightening and lifting everywhere.
You can do cementum.
Yeah, oh, you can do cementum, exactly. Anywhere there's a small pocket of fat that maybe CoolSculpting can't get because it's too small or inappropriate for CoolSculpting, we can get that fat with Agnes. You can also treat lipomas. So if you have those little pockets of fat, they kind of almost feel like cysts, but they're little fat pockets. We can get rid of them with Agnes as well. Agnes is great for acne, and that's actually where it got its name. The doctor that developed Agnes wanted to use it to treat acne. So acne sounds like Agnes, is from South Korea. And so that's how they developed its name. Scarlet is made by Dr. Na, and he had a daughter named Scarlet, so that's why he named it Scarlet. But we love having our 2 new girls here, Agnes and Scarlet. And you can see we're just getting to the end here. I'll show you the tacking in just a sec, just so you can see what I mean by that. We'll go up to the top here. All right, great. Let me show you tacking for a second. You doing okay under there?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you.
This is tacking, so I'm just going to pull up her skin. And we want to pull it up the direction we want it to go. And that's going to take us another 10 minutes or so, but now you get the idea. Kill the fat and let's pull up the skin. So great new treatments that we continuously try to stay at state-of-the-art technology at Rejuvenation MD. If you are interested in learning more about this, please find us at rejuvenationmdmedspa.com and come and see us for a free consultation. See you soon.